Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of Cardano. Cardano was founded back in 2017, and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native Cardano token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The Cardano token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. The Switzerland-based Cardano Foundation, which is charged with developing the Cardano ecosystem and its Cardano cryptocurrency, just announced a major addition to its leadership team. As the foundation continues to scale up its operations, changes are bound to happen if the organization wants to succeed. The new change comes to its leadership team. The Cardano Foundation announced the newest member of its board of directors, Fernando Luis Vázquez Sao, in a Thursday press release. His professional career has been both diversified and quite impressive. Fernando worked at Japanese telecom giant NTT, straight out of college. After spending over 10 years there, he joined SBI where he held several leadership positions. He will bring over 20 years of experience to the board in sectors such as governance, regulation, open source technology, fintech, and capital markets. Given he was in Japan for the majority of his career, Fernando has unique knowledge of the Asian financial services sector, which could give Cardano a real advantage in the Asian markets. Fernando's appointment comes at a time when the foundation is expanding its core operations to bolster crucial infrastructure and enterprise markets. The Enterprise Technology Department of the foundation is responsible for ensuring Cardano's crucial infrastructure needs are satisfied to the best standards. With Fernando joining, the foundation now has a 4-person board of directors. He will be sitting alongside Mary Beth Buchanan, Andreas Eschbach, and Gillian McNabb, who all have a diverse range of expertise. Like Ethereum, Cardano is a blockchain that supports smart contract capability. Cardano promises better scalability, cheaper fees, and a higher transaction throughput than what the second-largest cryptocurrency currently offers. Yet, critics abound. Mike Novogratz, for instance, told Yahoo Finance's Zach Guzman last year that the Cardano community has done something to create this weird cult. Earlier this month, a partner at Placeholder, Chris Bernesky, dismissed Ada as vaporware. Ada has continued to thrive despite skepticism about its utility from these big industry names. According to a report recently published by the research team at Kraken Cryptocurrency Exchange, 2022 could prove to be Cardano's best year yet, as it looks poised to be the leading Layer 1 blockchain in the market. With a market capitalization of just over $33 billion, Cardano is currently the industry's 7th most valuable network. If the flurry of activity around the blockchain and Fernando's appointment are any indication, Cardano is looking at a very bright future ahead. IOHK, Cardano's parent company, gives an update on the latest happenings in the Cardano ecosystem since the start of February. Since the start of February, the Maddox metaverse went live, amid other significant partnerships. IOHK hints that the OCCAMX built-in collaboration with Milkamita, a Layer 2 protocol for delivering EVM capabilities to non-EVM blockchains, will launch the first public version of its Cardano decentralized exchange in February. The OCCAMX DEX, which will allow users to earn, swap and provide liquidity to a large number of Cardano native tokens available on the market, might launch in February on Milkamita mainnet. OCCAMX is powered by the OCX token that will be used for providing liquidity and trading fee reductions. It has been a tense time for the Cardano community as two projects, the Sunday Swap DEX and Project Incubator Cardstarter, took their feud to court. Charles Hoskinson expressed his disappointment and urged other young builders to do better. However, during an episode of The Sean Kim Show, the technologist was more upbeat. What's more, Hoskinson revealed which crypto uses cases he was most excited about. Hoskinson was quick to reply that he thought algorithmic stablecoins were super cool, as they allowed monetary policy to be separated. The Cardano founder claimed that while Bitcoin served as a store of value, it wasn't attractive as a means of exchange or a unit of account. Furthermore, Hoskinson theorized how algorithmic stablecoins could play a role in El Salvador, where dollars are still in use. Hoskinson reminded viewers of DJade, an algorithmic stablecoin backed by crypto which Cardano's developer ARM.io.G created. The Cardano founder suggested that the same principle could apply to other crypto assets too. Cardano has been one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market over the past few years. The time has come for its further expansion in the coming years. This virtual currency and blockchain network promise to change the way developers and network participants interact with blockchain networks. Indeed, Cardano wants to simplify, speed up and reduce the cost of using the blockchain network for any user. In the following sections, we will look at all the details about Cardano and why we think 2022 could be a good year for this digital currency. Let's now focus on the fundamental analysis of Cardano. Cardano is working to offer new scalability solutions to crypto participants. Decentralized finance and interchangeable tokens have become very important parts of the blockchain market. The goal is to enable developers to find a stable and scalable blockchain that could handle more bandwidth without worrying about fees and transaction time. In order for blockchain networks to become widespread, they must process thousands of transactions in a matter of seconds, and this is something that blockchain networks have yet to do. Cardano may become one of the first blockchain networks that can solve these long-term problems affecting the cryptocurrency market. Let's now focus on analyzing Cardano prices for the coming years. It is impossible to make a clear prediction of what might happen. Over the past few years, we have witnessed the expansion of Cardano and the achievement of the highest positions in the cryptocurrency market. But investors would like to know what could happen in the future and in the coming years as the market continues to grow. Cardano is expected to continue to grow. It is difficult to predict how far the Cardano price can go. However, we can compare Cardano with other blockchain networks. If Cardano reaches the market valuation of the upcoming financing, the Cardano price may rise to $2.50. Comparing Cardano with other blockchain networks does not mean that the price can move in this direction. This is just an easy way to understand what the price of Cardano will be at a certain market penetration. With the wider adoption of Cardano, it is possible that Cardano will continue to move higher, and this is highly possible. Now it's time to focus on Cardano price forecasting. The prediction of the Cardano price will depend on fundamental and technical factors. That's why we are conducting the necessary analysis for people and investors to understand what could happen to this virtual currency in the coming years. In the following sections, we will take a detailed look at what can happen with Cardano and how the market can develop. It is important to understand that these are just simple estimates. We are not financial advisors. This is for educational purposes only.